Hi, this is Sam and welcome to our video demonstrations on BMC Footprints Asset Core. This is going to be one of our very first introductory video demonstrations on BMC Footprints Asset Core. This is the first episode of the Footprints Asset Core video series. Inox Systems was established in 2000 with offices in Singapore and Taipei. We are the BMC premier partner and we have been deploying and supporting Footprints since 2005. We are the value-added reseller for Mocha 5, the desktop virtualization management and mobile device management softwares, and Observe It, the monitoring systems on what your employees and contractors are doing on your systems, as well as Sagem.com, the best of breed enterprise IPFX solutions. BMC Footprints customer base is broad and diversified in size across industries and across geographies around the world, and this represents some of the industries in which our solutions have a strong following. In almost 20 years of working with such a broad and diverse base, we know that no two IT organizations are alike. That's why developing solutions that are easy to use, flexible and adaptable has made it possible to meet all their needs. And here is a sampling of what Footprints Asset Core happy customers are sharing about and how they are extending value within their businesses with BMC. We have heard from our customers that these are the IT challenges they are facing and the ways they are approaching them for their businesses. On the business side, while budgets and staffing levels seems to continue to decline, everything else seems to be rising or increasing. So these pressures are causing them to look to tools that can help them do more work from fewer applications. To help them implement both internal compliance standards and to meet the external compliance standards. They look to also better manage and control IT assets and perhaps use standard frameworks to help them do it. And BMC Footprints product family will serve all the above needs. Sometimes before understanding the what is, it is important to understand the why. So why would someone care about IT asset management? What's driving the vendors to develop solutions and the businesses to adopt them? IT is becoming increasingly complex. Then what exactly is IT asset management? It's the end-to-end discovery of all of your assets. It's proactively ensuring against compromise, making sure that security policies are adhered to at all times. It's also making sure that you are using what you have invested in and not using too much of it. And IT asset management is about fiscal responsibility, and knowing what you have is great, but knowing what it's worth at any given point in time is even better. So again, from a centralized console, BMC Footprints Asset Core has an architecture that is fairly straightforward. And there are three major components at the heart of the architecture. The first major component is the master server, where the main application and database are installed. It is responsible for answering requests from the console. And then we have the graphical console, which is used for centralized management of configuration analysis and reporting. It receives and stores all information sent by the client agents. And then we have the client agents, which are the agents installed on each target device in order to collect data and execute needed actions. Because this architecture is so scalable, it meets the needs of even the largest and most distributed organizations, allowing you to manage over 50,000 nodes through the use of relays and supermaster server that can manage multiple master servers. What's cool is, regardless of which or how many of the Footprints Asset Core products are installed, the solution requires only a single client agent at the endpoint. the agent will seamlessly interact with Footprint Asset Core products without any complex configurations. So now it's time for you to put what I've shown you into action. Thanks for watching. See you next time.